Hey guys, it's day 530 of quarantine. I'm not sure, it might even be only 3 days. At this point, I'm just looking for something that's comforting, and I think I found a really good recipe that's kind of indulgent and makes me feel good at the same time. I'm getting some vegetables in, and it is warm, I'm reading it right now, warm Florida vegetable and goat cheese dip. And it really is so simple to make. And this came about from Justin and I being at the test kitchen one day and wanting, you know, the vegetable spread that you can put on bagels sometimes. We wanted that, but we wanted to make our own. So this was born, and we're really happy with it. If you go to followfreshfromflorida.com, it shows you how to make it step by step. It's super easy. You probably have some of this stuff in your pantry already. If you don't, feel free to sub things. And yeah, I'm gonna start cooking. Finished sauteing these vegetables. The recipe called for squash and zucchini. I didn't have any zucchini, so I left it out, and that's just how easy our recipes are. You can add vegetables that you have, or if you don't have it, don't add it. The cooking process right here wasn't really to necessarily cook the vegetables, rather just soften a little bit, because you don't want it to be too crunchy. A dip isn't good crunchy. So now I'm going to add the cream cheese and the goat cheese to my mixing bowl, and it's just me and my brother here, so I'm not wearing gloves or anything. So there's a cream cheese, goat cheese. We're going to add all of these vegetables. I should be pouring this way just to show you the vegetables. And half of this shredded cheese. I have pepper jack, you can use whatever you have. And hot sauce of your choice. And now we're gonna mix. I have the dip in a oven-safe baking dish. I'm gonna go ahead and bake it. Before I do though, since I want a little bit of extra comforting today, I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese to the top. This is going off the recipe. I think the recipe calls for 2 cups of cheese. I probably added 3 cups of cheese. So I encourage you to add as much or as little as you want. It's going in the oven. The dip is in the oven. It's gonna stay there for about 20 minutes. It already smells so good. I'm gonna serve it with some chips. And after reviewing some of this footage, it's become painfully aware to me that I've used way too much dry shampoo, and I need a reality check. So I just got this dip out of the oven, and it smells so good. Maybe you want to add some protein to this, or some shrimp would be fantastic in it, or chicken, or even ground beef. That would be great. I'm gonna have to let it cool down for a little while before I dive in, or I will have my mouth will be on fire. I won't have any taste buds left. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down, but I hope you guys make this. Don't be intimidated by any of our recipes online. They really are so simple to cook. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and let us know. We'd be happy to answer any questions that we can, Justin and I, and the rest of our team too. So yeah, you guys follow freshfromflorida.com. You can't go wrong with it. Happy cooking.